Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Usman and I am from BSSC Evening 6. Today I present the topic which is Laravel components. So before going to start, I just want to tell you the basic concept of Laravel components. So basically it has three components. First one is routes, second is controller, and third is view. Categorically, routes depend on which pages where we want to take our URL. Then controller basically connect the entire Laravel to the database to fetch data and to implement data. Last is view. In this we have as many web pages as we can see. So it's just show our bootstrap working. So this is the basic concept of Laravel components. Now we move on how to creating a component. Let's assume we want to make bootstrap alert component, which can be called on various views. So head over to resources, then files, and make a folder in it. Now we will create a new file in this folder named alert.play.php and add a below code in it. So this is how we creating a component. Then using a component, we will look at how we can use the above component we have just created. So now head over to the view where you want to show the alert name and add the below code to call the alert component. But be remember, we can just use it for one time. To make this component for reusable, we want to make this component dynamic. So we can use the warning types in this component. So I will make the alert class and title to be reusable. So I will define the class and title variable in our component 5 like below. Div class is equal to alert slash class curly bracket close, and h4 class alert title. Now conclusion. In conclusion, basically Laravel components reduce the development time and help us to build a fantastic or awesome web application. A component is a reusable group of elements. Like you want to create a button and you want to reuse it in your application on various places. So we will create a button component and tell Laravel to grab it whenever we want to use it. So the components are a great way to make element reusable, and I just showed you a very basic example, but you can even create a fully dynamic and complex element using Laravel component. So this is what is Laravel components and how we create and how we use even in multiple time. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.